So let's say you have finished designing your email template using HTML, CSS, etc, right? And you've got a layout or which you desire. For me, I've got this one for the time being because that's what I want to use. So I've got everything here, right? I can actually do is to copy the code, then I go to my hosting. So whenever you want to write an email, right? Let's say I'm writing to my to myself. So what you need to do, right, using hosting, there will be a section where there is this icon, right, source code. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, you just paste your code here, then you click save. And the good thing, it will display like this. And also what you're able to do is to actually edit the message. Let's say you want to send a message to, let's say, Mbonisi, right? Or I come here as edit Mbonisi, then whatever I write. Okay, if you have any issues, for example, you can reach out, we are whatever, just like that. Then it enables you to send this kind of format to the recipient. So I go and click what says send, and then what I can do right now is to log into my Gmail account so that I can actually check whether the message has been received. So as you can see, there is an email which it has a subject and like this. So this is how it would display on the person's email. And it is interactive because you can actually click here and it will redirect you to the website. If you click any of these buttons like LinkedIn, Facebook, it will redirect the person to the appropriate site. So this is how it is. And I can say, if you want to try this, right, there are many HTML, let me say HTML, CSS, email template builder online, or you can just do it yourself by actually by coding with the help of AI. Then some of the things with the knowledge of CSS and HTML, you can make it happen. Well, thank you for watching, and this is Mbonisi signing out.